Once upon a time in the quaint village of Meadowbrook, there lived a hard-working farmer named Samuel. Samuel was known far and wide as the lard labor farmer because he dedicated his life to cultivating the finest lard-producing crops in the region. His story was one of resilience, determination, and a deep love for his land. Samuel inherited his farm from his parents, who had tilled the soil for generations. His small but well-maintained farm consisted of fertile fields and a cozy farmhouse that had been in the family for centuries. However, Samuel faced a unique challenge that set him apart from other farmers in the area. He specialized in growing the crops necessary for producing lard, a valuable commodity in the region. Lard was a crucial ingredient in many traditional recipes and had a significant market demand. Samuel's farm was the only one in Meadowbrook dedicated to producing the highest quality lard. To do so, he grew fields of meticulously selected crops like sunflowers, corn, and soybeans, which were essential for creating the finest lard. Samuel's daily routine began before dawn. He would rise with the rooster's crow, don his old, faded overalls, and head out to the fields. He would carefully inspect each row of sunflowers, ensuring they received the perfect amount of sunlight and water. He nurtured his cornfields with the utmost care, knowing that the quality of the corn would directly impact the lard's flavor. His soybean plants, too, received unwavering attention. Throughout the seasons, Samuel faced numerous challenges. Unpredictable weather patterns, pests, and fluctuating market prices made his work even more demanding. However, Samuel's passion for farming and his commitment to producing the best lard never wavered. He adopted innovative techniques and invested in modern farming equipment to improve efficiency without compromising on quality. Samuel's dedication to his craft didn't go unnoticed. The villagers respected him for his hard work, and local chefs and bakers praised his lard as the secret ingredient behind their delectable creations. As the years passed, Samuel's reputation as the lard labor farmer grew, and his lard became a highly sought-after commodity in the region. One fateful day, a renowned chef from the neighboring town of Willowvale visited Samuel's farm. Impressed by the quality of his crops and the care he put into his work, the chef struck a deal with Samuel to exclusively purchase his lard. This partnership brought even more prosperity to Samuel's farm, allowing him to expand his operations and provide employment opportunities to others in the village. As the seasons changed and the years passed, Samuel continued to toil away on his beloved farm. His dedication to producing the finest lard never wavered, and he remained a beloved figure in Meadowbrook. His story was a testament to the power of hard work, passion, and the love for one's craft.